Welcome back to Market Matters Media, where we embark on an enlightening journey into the future, exploring the captivating worlds of genomics, artificial intelligence or AI, and the electric vehicle or EV revolution. In this video, we'll navigate through these three transformative domains, uncovering the profound impact they are having on industries and economies worldwide. Join us as we demystify complex concepts and unveil the potential of disruptive innovations that are shaping our world. Let's commence our voyage by shining a spotlight on genomics, a field that often operates quietly in the background but carries the potential to revolutionize medicine and our understanding of life itself. At its core, genomics involves DNA sequencing, a process that unravels the intricacies of our genetic code. Companies like Illumina are at the forefront of this field, laying the foundation for a new era in healthcare. Through DNA sequencing, we can now pinpoint mutations within our genome, identifying the programming errors responsible for a myriad of diseases. It's a scientific breakthrough with far-reaching implications. Enter CRISPR gene editing, a revolutionary technology that holds the promise of rectifying these genetic anomalies. Picture a future where diseases like pediatric blindness, sickle cell anemia, beta thalassemia, and leukemia can be treated with unprecedented precision, all thanks to genomics. Transitioning to the electric vehicle revolution is not merely about swapping out combustion engines for batteries. It represents a profound paradigm shift in the entire automotive landscape. Tesla, the pioneering EV manufacturer, recognized this transformation early on, envisioning it as a fundamental overhaul of transportation itself. The transition to electric vehicles carries significant consequences for jobs and skills in the automotive industry. As traditional automakers, deeply reliant on internal combustion engines, grapple with the seismic shift, we must acknowledge the looming crisis of obsolete skills. Governments and industries must collaborate to retrain and reskill the workforce, ensuring a seamless transition into this new era. Central to the success of the electric vehicle revolution is consumer adoption. As EVs become more accessible and affordable, their widespread adoption becomes an inevitability. A key factor driving this transition is the anticipated drop in electric vehicle prices, making them not only economically competitive but also financially prudent for consumers. However, this shift is not merely a trend. It is a fundamental change in the way we approach mobility. It addresses the critical issue of reducing carbon emissions from transportation, a pressing concern as the world grapples with climate change. Electric vehicles, powered by clean energy sources, present a sustainable solution that goes beyond technological advancement. It represents a crucial step toward a greener, more sustainable future. For investors seeking opportunities in this burgeoning industry, the electric vehicle sector offers a gold mine. The anticipated exponential growth in this sector opens doors for strategic investments. It's important to note that the opportunities extend beyond investing in electric vehicle manufacturers alone. To fully capitalize on this revolution, consider investments in related components of the ecosystem, such as battery technology, charging infrastructure, and the integration of artificial intelligence. These elements are integral to the success of the electric vehicle market and should not be overlooked when crafting an investment strategy. The EV sector's dynamism extends to innovative startups focused on enhancing user experiences and sustainability. Investing in companies developing advanced materials for batteries and exploring new energy storage solutions can provide a diversified portfolio. Keep an eye on emerging AI-driven applications in EVs as they shape the industry's future. The convergence of artificial intelligence and autonomous driving is reshaping the automotive landscape. At the heart of this transformation is Tesla, which boasts an AI chip technology ahead of its competitors by 4 years. This chip isn't solely about enabling autonomous vehicles. It's about data, a vast, rich dataset derived from 14 billion miles of real-world driving. In the race for autonomous driving supremacy, data is the currency, and Tesla stands as the richest entity in this domain. Real-world data allows for continuous learning, making Tesla's autonomous driving technology safer with each passing day. The quality and quantity of data they possess set them apart and position them as a frontrunner in this race. To gain a deeper perspective, let's draw a parallel between the present and the tech and telecom era. Imagine if, back then, we had discussed three foundational stocks in the CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing space, companies like Editas, Intellia, and CRISPR Therapeutics. These firms own the patents for revolutionary technologies with the potential to transform medicine as we know it. However, it's crucial to acknowledge the misunderstanding and efficiency in pricing such groundbreaking technologies. Despite their immense potential, the cumulative market cap of these gene editing pioneers barely reaches $5 billion. This disparity underscores the need for a more accurate valuation of technological innovations, and we are here at Market Matters Media to provide clarity. The comparison between the tech and telecom era and today's genomics landscape serves as a reminder that transformative technologies often face initial underestimation. Patience and a forward-thinking investment approach are key. As genomics gains momentum, astute investors may discover opportunities beyond the horizon, backed by groundbreaking science. Post the tech and telecom era, there has been a discernible shift in investment paradigms. The traditional approach of benchmark investing, once a go-to strategy for minimizing risk, is evolving. Traditional indexes, laden with value traps and backward-looking metrics, may no longer be the optimal choice. At Market Matters Media, we are resolutely focused on the future. Our guiding principle is not simply what has worked in the past, but what will work in the years ahead. We are playing an arbitrage game, challenging the short-term time horizons that have often prevailed in the market. While others may be fixated on the next quarter, our sights are set on the next 5 years and beyond. Recall the skepticism that once shrouded Tesla, with so-called Tesla killers like Audi and Porsche expected to dethrone the EV giant. The twist in the tale is that Tesla not only retained its market share, but increased it to a remarkable 18% last year. This outcome debunked the old model of predicting a loss of market share for innovative companies. What sets Tesla apart are its three distinct advantages: superior batteries, a 4-year lead in AI chip technology, and an extensive repository of real-world driving data. These advantages collectively redefine the driving experience. Traditional auto manufacturers, in their pursuit of catching up, find themselves not only at risk of losing market share but also shedding jobs in the process. In conclusion, our exploration of the future of genomics, AI, and the electric vehicle revolution has uncovered a tapestry of innovation that will define the next decade and beyond. These disruptive technologies hold the promise of reshaping industries, improving lives, and offering lucrative investment opportunities. If you found value in this content and wish to stay updated on the latest insights, we encourage you to subscribe to Market Matters Media. By subscribing, you not only remain informed but become part of a community passionate about understanding the future. Your support drives us to continue delivering content that challenges the status quo and shapes the conversations surrounding disruptive innovations. As we navigate the ever-evolving landscape of genomics, AI, and electric vehicles, always remember the future is now and you are an integral part of it. Stay informed, stay inspired, and stay curious.